How to identify anything on Google Lens. So hello guys, if you want to identify any type of pic using Google Lens, how you guys can do that? So for that we will simply use Google Lens app. If you guys don't have Google Lens app, you guys can simply go to Play Store, and here you guys will search for Google Lens. Once we search for Google Lens, let's search for Google Lens. Once you search for Google Lens, you guys will see Google Lens app. So simply install it. So once you install it, click on open. Here you guys will see open camera, and in my mobile it was say screenshot, but in your phone it will show your gallery. So for example, you want to identify any object that are in pic. For example, I am searching for that pic. Now here you guys can see in that pic that character. So for example, when it Google Lens selected, you guys can see it was say this image shows character that from the video game franchise. Also you guys can see other related pics to that pic. So that's how you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.